Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kinderpur TV. Let's have a look of some colors. This is the red color. And the examples of red color are strawberry, rose, and apple. This is the orange color. And the examples of orange color are orange, carrot, and pumpkin. This is the yellow color. And the examples of yellow color are sunflower, banana, and sun. This is the pink color. And the examples of pink color are pink butterfly, pink cake, and pink tulip. This is the purple color. And the examples of purple color are lavender, purple bag, and eggplant. This is the green color. And the examples of green color are tree, watermelon, and cucumber. This is the blue color. And the examples of blue color are blue hat, blue whale, and sky. This is the brown color. And the examples of brown color are chocolate, tree trunk, and bear. This is the gray color. And the examples of gray color are rat, elephant, and rhino. This is the black color. And the examples of black color are crow, tiger, and bat. This is the white color. And the examples of white color are rabbit, teeth, and eggs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.